Here she comes.
Every time.
We're about to go on Forest Peak Canal, or Peak Forest Canal. Looks beautiful, isn't it? You excited? Are you excited? You're my partner in crime, April. You can see little April just waiting at the top. We just forgot water. I was like, no, we're not going without water. Oh, very lucky with the weather so far today. Hoping it just stays like this. This is what my van couldn't get through. But look, what a beautiful little path up. Hey, happy girl. She's not sure because she's not done it before. She's gonna love it. Go down the beautiful canal, Peak Forest Canal.
I did not sign up for this.
She did not sign up for this. Just getting lugging her heavy mum's ass. Here we go. It is beautiful. Absolutely love this canal. Gorgeous views. April's working hard, flicking me in the face. Please don't get me too wet.
I'm so sorry.
If this is it or an example of it, but that may well be the tunnel. But can you see how the incline? We wouldn't be able to, you know, a canal doesn't incline like that. So, ooh, let's get prepped.
Yeah, I think it looks good. Oh, I hate it.
You do not need a head torch for this. Do you? Oh, it's going to get really... Woo! I love the noise. Woo! What do you think, April?
It's kind of cool looking. It's getting dark.
It is getting darker. Definitely don't think we needed a head torch though. It's a little bit extreme.
Here's Dragon standing across the cave.
In a cave.
In the cave.
Aquaduct.
Aquaduct.
Actually, this is quite cool. Dragon, turn yours off and see how dark it is. Uh-oh. That is quite dark.
Here's Dragon. I think it's really cool, I think. Look at that.
No.
Yes.
Because it's exciting and it's something different that other people won't have seen or done before.
That's the end. And they go panning to the end, baby.
You're going for a flashing red light, are you?
Yes, I. Yay! No. Well, you told me, to do that. So it's actually your fault, actually. But I did not know. But you told me no. And that's not okay. At all. Yeah. Dragon made it to the end. Well done, Dragon Pan.
Well done, Dragon Pan.
We're coming, Dragon. Don't move.
Here we go.
We've got this. We made it!
So we've just been through the tunnel, which was gorgeous. Quite enjoyed it here, and hopefully we're going to get to an aqueduct. It isn't, no, it's true. So this is our aqueduct coming up ahead. You can see there's a bridge up here, so I expect there's a bit of a drop off. April's paddling along. Very good, yes you can. I thought Dragon might go ahead as well. That's it, April. And then we've got a bit of a drop off probably somewhere.
It is.
Oh, it should be, it's normally a river under there or something we can fix. Just push off the wall, with your paddle. Congratulations, you have just paddled across the highest aqueduct in England. We have no idea how high it is yet. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah? Was it good in our boat?
Yeah.
First time we tried it. I would recommend one if you've got a non-keen paddler, aka April. Oh, well, she's trying to get her luscious hair out. So let's look how high we actually are. Look, oh, where are we? It is called Marple Aquaduct. And it's pretty high. Quite nice. What gorgeous views. So we're just having a little walk over the aqueduct now. And we're going to have a little look down here and see what that's like. So we're going down this path. Look. I'm glad I've seen it from this perspective. That is pretty cool. Go. How cool is this? This is where we could have had our little snack. Apparently they abseil down to get all the debris off, but where from? Because I bet we've got some anchor points somewhere up there. Our lovely April on the other side, who's been waiting very patiently while we had a little explore. That's quite cool, isn't it? Been a lovely little paddle. We're going back over the aqueduct now. Keep paddling, that's it, big strong on that side. Push against the walls if you have to. Just push with your paddle, that's it. Just like that, well done. And now push it, now it's a bit too hard. She didn't know her own strength. Might have to help her. Views on the way back, look at that. Love it. So just coming up to Hyde Bank Tunnel, which is our 200-metre tunnel. We're doing our return journey, so it's just basically there and back. It's been a great place to just stop. Actually going to brave this 287-metre tunnel without a torch. So excited. So, how was it, April?
Really good.
Yeah, did you enjoy the paddle?
Yeah.
What was your favourite bit?
My favourite was the black tunnel thing, the black cave.
It was quite cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Dragon, what did you like the best? The tunnel. What are we giving out of 10 as a little excursion?
No, like a 11.
Yeah, what about you, April? What are you giving it?
I guess I give it a 9 or a 10, I think.
9 or a 10 out of 10. And there's our lovely van, just down there. I would give it up there. I'd say actually, you know, 8 out of 10 for a good, fun excursion.
Yeah, for good effort as well.
Yeah, great little intro paddle. What do you think of the boat, April?
I
Like the boat?
it.
It's good,
I
wasn't
really
it?
like the boat because it's nice and steady and stuff.
Yeah.